Hey guys, welcome to this new episode, the episode number 72, and today I'll be talking about what I've been doing in the past 2 weeks and some other things. So if you didn't watch the last video, I actually said that I was gonna record a new video every 2 weeks. And the why? Well, I told the why in the last video, which is simply time. So if you wanna see more details, go and watch the previous video. And let's get into this video. First of all, the weather app is almost finished, but what I think is happening is, you know, that feeling when you are finishing something and you know it's gonna be important. You don't want to make any mistakes, and just because of that you go slower, but it's something that you don't want to go slower, but for some reason in the back of your mind something changes and you go slower just because of that. And now I'm going slower because I have that excuse of having a super long function that basically prints everything to the weather app. So you have the fetch function that takes all the information from the API, and then you have the other function that basically you call it in the fetch. So you can print all the info in the application, the app that you are developing. So that's how it works. And that function that is called by the fetch, it's basically long, very long. And as you know, if the call fails, you have a dot catch that will show you when that happens, and the dot then if everything went fine. So you have dot then and dot catch. So I try to add several dot then, so I could like add one function, then another one, and you know, it'll execute then. But it didn't work, or maybe I didn't know how to apply it, because I don't really know if I applied it like correctly or I didn't. So I would like to know more about that. I've been doing a lot of research, but I haven't found anything that works for me. And the reason why I wanted to make, like, instead of just one function call, make like 3 or 4 function calls, is because I wanted to divide the functions, like make them shorter and more easy to understand, instead of having like 100 or 200 function length, you know, 200 lines in one function. That's like too long, man. I think it's very long, and I want to make it better, like shorter, and make different functions so they are shorter and better to understand, and just isolate the functionality in several functions much better. If you guys know how to make that code better, and you know, make it in a better way, you can actually see my code in GitHub. Actually, I'm sorry, I'm thinking so much about Codeworks because it's so fun. But anyways, go to GitHub. You can actually see my code there, and you'll see the function. The function is print. I don't remember how it's called, but I think it's print weather. But you'll see it's the longest function in the JS file. So you'll see it definitely. And if you have some like input and you know how to make that better, please leave a comment down below. I'll read it, I'll execute on that comment, and you know, I'll try to make it better and basically make it work as it should with a better structure. That's it. So I think that's it for today, and see you guys next week. No, in 2 weeks. So bye.